What's up everybody? Welcome back to another video, and today I'll be talking about 4 killer habits for a productive life. Before I start, make sure to be subscribed and click that notification bell down there so you get notified of my latest videos. There are so many times that I tell myself I want to sit down, focus and concentrate on my work, but when I sit down, I will get distracted and procrastinate. I will scroll through YouTube videos, look at Facebook, go through my Instagram feed, and I do so many things but the things I want to do. There's this book called War of Art. In this book, it talks about resistance and the things that keep you from doing your work. The key is to break away from resistance so you can go out to achieve the goals that you set for yourself. The thing is that you all have to understand that you cannot blame yourself for having this resistance. We humans, we are born to live, not to strive. Let me repeat that again. We humans are built to live and not to strive. Hey man, it's in our DNA. Here, let's go on to the very first step of killer habits. The first killer habit is to take action. Yes, it sounds so simple and it sounds so cliche, but let me explain a little bit further. You see, taking action is difficult. So what you need to do is to plan the easiest step first. It could be opening your browser to search for what you need to search for. It could be opening just Microsoft Word and just start typing a few sentences. Whatever it is, plan the most simple step first. Set a deadline on the task you want to achieve. The deadline could be 30 minutes, could be 1 hour. Set a very simple deadline. At least you have an end in mind. If it's a short time like half an hour or an hour, it makes it very easy for you to start your project. The whole point is to get yourself into this flow state where you start working. And do you remember the times when you start working, you just go on and on and on and on? The whole point is to get yourself into a flow state. The whole point is when you feel resistance, you need to break it. The second killer way is to use music to get yourself into the mood. And for that, I use Spotify. Spotify has many playlists. There are playlists like Deep Focus, Happy Music, whatever it takes to get you into the mood of working. This step sounds very simple, but it goes a really far way. If you're in a very bad mood, you just don't feel like working, the weather is bad, your friends is pissing you off, your family is pissing you off, whatever it takes, music helps get you into the mood to achieve what you need to achieve. The third killer step is to create a list. Not a to-do list. A to-do list is just one of the most horrible ideas ever. Do you have your own to-do list and you realize your to-do list just keeps stacking and stacking and stacking and stacking? You realize it never ends. Once you complete one and it goes on and on and on, your to-do list just never ends. So I have a way around it. I have this list called 3 things I want to achieve today. So every morning when you wake up, you list down the 3 things you want to achieve today. So just by seeing this list of only 3 things you need to do, it makes it very easy for you to get by your day and do the things you need to do. This list of 3 things I want to achieve today has helped me massively achieve a lot in my life, and I hope this will help you massively in your life too. The fourth way is the most powerful way, and I found this to work 99% of the time. And this method is announce it to the world on what you want to achieve, else you're going to get a punishment for it. For example, I wrote on social media that I want to achieve a weight of less than 60 kg by the end of the year, else I'm going to treat everybody who comment on my post below. Why does this way work? Remember, we humans is in our DNA. We are born to live. We are not born to strive. So when you do this, your brain will go into a panic mode and it will get things done. This is one of the most effective ways to hack your brain. Announce it to the world, tell them your goals, and if you don't achieve it, the punishment. And there's a 99% chance you will get it done. If you like this video, could you help me smash the like button so I could reach out to more people to help them to have a more productive day? Again, remember to subscribe and on the notification button. And thank you so much for watching. I see you to the next video. Take care.